Let's kick things off with COOMO custom-made furniture. Their bespoke furnishings offer a curated collection of personalized pieces. Take, for example, their stylish bookshelf that pivots to reveal a hidden space behind it, or the remote-controlled bed that seamlessly folds out of a closet. Pure magic. They also feature multifunctional pieces like a drawer unit that transforms into a table, and an efficient multi-sectioned sliding bookshelf with hidden storage tucked behind. To top it off, there's a wardrobe with sleek sliding doors and a built-in ironing board for extra convenience. The latter is available in both manual and automatic versions, with a variety of finishes like matte or varnished wood. Moving on to the kitchen section, COOMO's selection is nothing short of impressive. From height-adjustable dining tables, manual or remote control to suit even the tallest guests, to motorized lift-up wall cabinets perfect for the vertically challenged, the range is delightfully diverse. They also offer classics like corner cabinet organizers, a budget-friendly investment that makes kitchen life a breeze, and sleek sliding tables for that extra bit of worktop space when you need it most. As for bedding options, one of their standout pieces is a bookshelf that effortlessly rotates to reveal a minimalist wall bed. Another is a sleek desk that transforms into a side wall bed, where work and rest truly coalesce. Now let's take a look at this vintage gem from the 1970s. The DS85 sofa bed. Crafted from top-grain bull leather, it effortlessly folds out into a king-sized bed and looks just as comfortable as it is durable. The curiously designed cloud shelf by Ronan and Erwan Burulek adds a sense of serenity and quietude to any space. A gem made of durable thermoplastic polyethylene, it features up to 8 compartments. It doubles as a bookshelf or coffee table and can be stacked using pressure clips for a custom setup. Its rounded, honeycomb-like form brings a playful yet modern edge, perfect for stylish, modular storage. Made in the boot-shaped country, it's as iconic as it is functional. As for this desk from the 1960s, it features a practical rotary function, allowing it to be easily extended in just a few simple steps. Alongside it, the rare Type 50 table lamp, designed by Rosemarie Enrico in 1965, adds a touch of vintage elegance. The Spaziobed by Cinius is a compact space-saving unit that reinvents bedroom layouts for kids. Instead of bulky overhead wardrobes, it offers horizontal drawers and large underbed trolleys for effortless storage. The tatami flooring serves as both a breathable base and a walkable platform, supporting up to 400 kilograms. Children can use the area beneath the bed as a play zone or storage nook, making the most of every inch. Optional features include sleek guardrails, a slim bookshelf overhead, and safe, space-conscious stairs. ZORTAŞ Kitchen Designs boasts one of the most comprehensive catalogs in the industry. From pull-out tables for extra workspace to sliding ironing boards for added convenience, they've thought of everything. Expect smooth sliding cabinetry doors, reliable spice racks, pop-out trash bins, and pull-out pantries for smart organization. They also offer sliding shelves for kitchen supplies and sectioned drawers tailored for bowls, cups, and more. There's so much in their lineup, it barely fits into one video. And with their reputation, quality likely speaks for itself. Which one of these clever kitchen features would you love to have in your own home? Let us know in the comments. Or did we miss your favorite space-saving trick? Mark Langen's design for the Rosie house masterfully blends minimalism with functionality, featuring smart home automation, integrated lighting, and cleverly concealed storage. The kitchen backsplash is a genius space saver, storing spices, tea, glasses, and cups to maximize kitchen efficiency. The table serves dual purposes, acting as both a dining table and a desk. Simply slide it open to access hidden storage for office supplies, as well as a hidden power socket. With every corner serving a purpose, Rosie House shows how minimalist design can maximize both space and functionality. Mark Langen also designed this bureau with a detachable console, allowing you to easily switch from a workstation to an entertainment area. With a simple 6-meter slide, you can move your TV or computer across the room without needing multiple screens. Smart Living UA offers smart transformative furniture that maximizes every square meter of your space efficiently. Take, for example, this vanity table that expands from a compact unit to an unbelievable length. It's spacious enough to host a grand dinner party. They also have a wall bunk bed that blends seamlessly into the wall, making it perfect for children's rooms. Last but not least, their sofa wall bed combo in a chic cream beige is a heavenly addition to any modern apartment. Not sure about the price, though. TAIWAN BOSCA offers an impressive shelving system featuring a smooth sliding mechanism that not only adds a sleek touch to your space, but also doubles as hidden storage, perfect for keeping things organized and out of sight. The hidden storage compartment pulls down to become a functional desk too. Often we hear about 2-in-1 furniture, but how about 4-in-1? This piece serves as a table, sofa bed, and seating area, covering all your needs in an apartment. A desk to work and eat, a sofa to chill, and a bed to sleep. Plus, it appears to be on sale currently. Now let's take a minute to talk about the Day and Night Murphy bed. It might take a bit of gray matter to figure out at first, but once you've got it down, it's a smart and functional piece that doubles as both a drawer unit and a wall bed. Stylish, space-saving, and clever. And lest we forget the living room, Futonland's Flipper Chair Sofa is a compact sleeper with a clever nest mechanism and optional USB port, perfect for lounging or napping. It transforms from a cozy chair to a cot-sized bed, making it a smart, stylish choice for any modern home. And speaking of multifunctional comfort, the Casey Queen Sleeper Love Seat takes it further with a hybrid mechanism that glides from sofa to queen-sized bed, FSC-certified hardwood, and high-resilience foam. Such a piece is highly adaptable to any space and will surely have great value in the long run. This is an interesting bedroom design built like a super compact box by Boutique Studio, where every inch is optimized for space efficiency. The clever use of storage and minimalist design makes the most of precious limited space. For this part, we present a selection of intriguing stairs, ranging from smooth slides that bring back childhood memories, to compact spiral stairs, and even some uniquely designed staircases that challenge the conventional. Now this is different. When life gives you black panels, build a masterpiece.